Right, hello everyone, welcome back to your channel. So I'm at Seacombe Ferry Terminal, well, by it, just getting out the way of all the people down there. Tonight is the QM2 is going to be leaving, so if you saw my video about the QM2 arriving, this one's going to be leaving. There's a Stenner getting off just over there as well. It's going to be a fireworks display about midnight. It's about 11:30 at night now. There's not many people down there, to be honest. I thought there'd be more. So yeah, going wait for the fireworks, going to get the drone up, catch some fireworks. So just a little intro, that'll be an outro at the end. Just took some photos. I think I've got some good ones. So I've done them on long exposure. So I've got all the skyline and going up to the wheel. That would have been good to get the Stenner going past as well, but my camera's back in the car now. But I've done it on a 30-second long exposure because I like trying to turn the water to glass. Okay, so the longer the exposure, the more still the water looks. You can do a 2-3 minute long exposure and it'll probably do a better job. But I haven't got my remote with me to do that. So in camera I can only do 30 seconds, that's the longest I can do in camera. But yeah, wait for the fireworks start. It looks brilliant at night. I'm not sure how well this comes across on camera here. But there's the skyline. Let's zoom in a touch. See, the Stenner's going to go past the QM2 any seconds. But yeah, I'll be getting the drone up about 10 till, but I'll just hang it in the air then until the fireworks starts. Hopefully there's enough battery then to get the fireworks and then get some of it leaving down the Mersey. Not many people here with cameras. I'm hoping there's not many people here with drones either. Yeah, that's how it looks. Once the Stenner gets out the way, it'll reveal the QM2. There it is, going into shot. So yeah, I'm going to put this away. I'm just going to finish. I can hear a car alarm going off. I hope it's not mine. I'm going to put this one away and get the drone out anyway. See you in a minute.
Got to know you before you faded away. I got to know you, got to love you. Just keep walking down to separate ways. I can show you escape.
and that's it, it's gone. It was quite busy down here, to be fair. There was about 50 odd people here, but there's about 15 drones in the air, mine being one of them. I'm not saying other people aren't allowed to fly. If I'm flying, then, you know, of course other people are allowed to fly. But what got me was there was about 5 people around me. Just found 10 quid, right? So yeah, look at this. Found 10 quid on the floor. That's going to go to Brian and Robin for to buy 2 Greg's cards. So Brian and Robin, 10 quid on its way to you. There's no one here to ask whose it is. Well, there's a couple of people up there, but they weren't standing here. 10 quid. That'll help the homeless. Nice, put that in my pocket. Yeah, there's about... The waters have gone all rough now where the ship's gone past. I'll just turn it round. One of those come across on camera. But it's all rippling where the ship has disturbed it. Yeah, so there's about 5 or 6 people around me with drones, but I was the only one going round asking people what height they were at. You know, it takes nothing to, you know, if you see someone with the drones, go over and say, what height are you flying at, mate? They were all ignoring each other. So once one person told me, I went and told the next one, then when I come to the next one, I told them that the first 2 I've spoken to were flying at a certain height, and then he'd fly at this height, and then yeah, we got it sorted between us, so there's no collisions in the air. But you know, why should it take me to go around asking people? Just ask each other. There's 2 people standing next to each other with drones who didn't know each other. They didn't even know what height each other were flying at. It's the first question you ask each other. Anyway, I'll stop moaning. Just talk. If you see someone else with a drone, don't think it's competition. Just talk to them. Ask them what drone you've got. Start a conversation. Yeah, but it's gone. The water's starting to settle down again now. And I found a tenner to help the homeless, so I'll give that to Brian when I see him. I'm saying that round. There's a waterfront. Queen Mary 3. Right, I'm going to get off now. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Really, you know, I really appreciate it. It helps my channel out, helps it grow. Give it a thumbs up, it'll let people know that you like it, they might like it. And a comment is always appreciated. So yeah, speak to you all soon. Bye now. See you soon.